What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm holding you. Ooh, look at you. So funny. Can you tell me your name?
Vanlal Awmpuia.
That's right. Good boy. You want to type A, B, C?
Okay.
Okay. Well, no, not that one. The other one. This one. Okay. Now, Mom is going to type A, B, C, right? Right?
Right.
Okay. I'm gonna do it.
Papa, what?
Oh, you're making funny faces, right? Oh my gosh. Oh, look, there is a tongue. Oh, that was fun, right?
Papa, D.
Alright.
E.
Alright, it's not ready. I'm gonna do it. Just
The
wait.
blue.
Okay. Just wait, just wait. Not ready.
No worry.
Not yet ready. Just wait.
Just wait.
Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. Come on. Don't move, don't move. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let you type the ABC, okay? Do you really want to type ABC?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Already.
Really?
Ready?
Alright, where is the thing? Oh my gosh.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was fun.
Yeah, really? No, enough, Monte. That's enough. Stop playing. Where is the Microsoft Word?
Papa,
What?
Papa, this one.
Where?
Keyboard is gone.
Oh,
Keyboard is gone.
oh my gosh. Where is the keyboard? It fell off. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Do you want me to get it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Say please,
Please,
Papa,
Papa.
get it for me. Get it for me.
Can you free?
Get it
Get
for me.
for me,
Papa.
Papa.
Okay. Don't make any funny faces anymore. You love making funny faces, right? Look at your lips. I'm gonna cut it, okay? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.